Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening everybody from all over the world. So Pakistan versus England, the seventh T20I match is in progress, where the first inning has just been finished up. England has put up very much a huge total of 209 for 3 in 20 overs, and it's just because of some very much bad performance in the bowling, fielding and the catching side of the Pakistani side. So they dropped 4 to 5 catches. Also the bowlers didn't do as good as expected, but now the time has come for the batting side. The Pakistani batsmen, all the team needs to take and understand their responsibility, and surely a great number of and a huge amount of the prayers is needing of the Pakistani nation. So being a Pakistani, I love Pakistan and I pray for Pakistan to win the game today, and you also pray for Pakistan. Continue watching the match today and also continue praying for Pakistan. I just expect that inshallah the Pakistani player will show their responsibility in today's game, so that they will win the T20 series. So wish Pakistan all the best and wish you all the best for the today's game. Thanks for watching. Inshallah we'll be back soon with another update. Till then, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.